Hey y'all! Springtime is finally here, and there's no better place for a gem hunter than the beautiful state of Arkansas. As the flowers bloom and the trees come alive, the vibrant scenery makes it the perfect time to head outdoors and hunt for some hidden treasures. Now let me tell you, Arkansas is a gem hunter's paradise. With its unique geological formations, this state boasts an incredible variety of gemstones. From the famous Crater of Diamonds State Park, where you can dig for diamonds, to the quartz crystal mines in the Ouachita Mountains, there's something here for every gem enthusiast. The thrill of the hunt is what gets my heart racing. Imagine scouring the rich soil and rocks, feeling the sun on your face, and then, bam! You spot a glimmering gemstone just waiting to be discovered. Whether it's a sparkling diamond, a stunning quartz crystal, or even a rare amethyst, the excitement of finding these natural beauties is simply unbeatable. And it's not just about the gems, y'all. It's about the whole experience. Being out in nature, surrounded by the lush greenery and the sounds of spring, it's truly a soul-refreshing adventure. Plus, it's a great way to bond with family and friends, making memories that'll last a lifetime. So grab your gear, put on your adventure hat, and head on over to Arkansas Rockhound Republic for all the tips and tricks you need to start your gem hunting journey. The gems are calling, and it's time to answer. Happy hunting, y'all! Arkansas Rockhound Republic, your gateway to nature's treasures. Be sure to subscribe for more gem hunting adventures and tips. Thanks for watching.